Get your specific person to chase you, to want you, to need you, to absolutely go crazy without being near you. Do it now. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And I have an important announcement. At the time of this recording, we are less than 3 days, almost about 2.5 days away from Master Manifesting 2024. And listen, if you haven't registered, now is the time because there's this one day a year when you can catapult your desires, your intentions into reality. It's called the winter solstice. So join me for 3 hours on Zoom live, along with my entire manifesting team. We're going to be taking questions. We're going to be doing intense coaching. It's going to be incredible, but it's coming up on the 21st. MasterManifesting2024.com. So, high flyers, the secret to getting someone to chase you, to want you, to crave you, to need you, and to do it quickly is to have the right vibration. You need to be at the right frequency. So, what do you need to do? First, you need to have patience. Most of the people that I talk to that struggle to get their SP to call them, to be close to them, to want them, to cling to them, they struggle with patience. They're looking at their watch. He hasn't called yet. It's been 3 days. He hasn't texted me, Robert. Do you realize nothing has changed in a week? Nothing. I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm going out of my mind. That's the kind of stuff you hear because people lack patience. But patience is power. Look, if you're running around crying and begging and wanting and needing, that's the energy you're attracting back to you. So you need to develop a sense of patience. Now, look, sometimes an SP will text within 30 seconds. Sometimes it might be 3 days. But if you have patience, you really are in it for the long haul. In other words, you're not putting a timeline to it. You're open to them calling you, chasing you, wanting you, needing you as it develops organically. Because if it doesn't develop organically, you run the risk of it ending abruptly. So again, just be patient. Trust the process. Know that what you are doing is attracting them back into your life. And patience, as I said, is power, but patience is also attractive. You see, you're not the one chasing them. You don't have this chase energy in you. When you have this chase energy surrounding you and making your energy field get kind of needy, they can tell. They may be not consciously, but they can tell and they repel. Oh, I like that. I just came up with that right now. They can tell and they repel. So that's it. Patience. Number two is willpower. Sometimes it's kind of a, you know, well, let's put it this way. If you have patience, you have power. If you have willpower, you already have patience. So if you have willpower, you're not chasing, you're not begging, you're not wanting them to text you and everything. You're not just going crazy waiting for that text because you have willpower. Okay, so their birthday's coming up. You're not going to send a card. They're going to chase you. You see what I'm saying? People will use excuses. Yeah, I know I'm not going to chase, but it's their birthday. Oh, I know I'm not going to chase, but it's Groundhog's Day. I got to send a card. I got to send a text. No, you don't. Allow them to chase you. And by all means, don't spend all your time checking their social media. That, you see, look at, well, but Robert, they won't know that I'm checking their social media. It's the vibration. What do I have to do to get this into your mind? It's not the actions, it's the vibration that attracts them or repels them, pushes them away. So, seriously, stop checking their social media. Stop talking to their friends. Go about your life, your journey. Willpower simply means you're not going to initiate the call or the text or the email. You're going to give them the opportunity to realize what they're missing and begin. But what if they don't miss me? Well, that's here it is. That's the next point. The next point is work on yourself. Become the highest version of you. Focus on being the best version of yourself. Double your time at the gym, double your time reading. You know, go out and do new things, take on new adventures, be good to yourself, but focus on living at your highest level of vibration. They will feel that shift. They will feel that energy shift and they'll be attracted to it and they'll want more of it. And you say, well, how will they feel it? Because we transmit through our brain, through our mind, to everyone else that we are connected to. People feel our vibration. They know, okay? And they will know. So be the best version of yourself. So when they do text you, when they do call, you're vibrating up here, not down here. And last but not least, gratitude, gratitude, gratitude all the time. Literally surround yourself with gratitude. The more gratitude you feel, when you feel this deep sense of gratitude that you already have them. I'm so grateful that the one that I love is chasing me. They can't stop thinking about me. They want to be near me. They crave me. You know, I'm just grateful for that. I'm just grateful that I'm magnetic, that I'm attractive, that I'm intelligent. I'm grateful that I have everything going for me and everything is getting better every day. Now, if you'll do those 4 secrets, they'll start chasing you quickly. Look at, I mean, maybe not within 30 seconds, but man, give it a minute or two. Okay. Be patient. It does work. It will come. Now, when you want to attract your specific person, I've added another video here for you to check out that will absolutely help you on a subconscious level.